Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove hats from Android phone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open your Android phone settings. Click on search at the top right. Now, search for DNS. And then select private DNS. Then go ahead and select private DNS. Come to it, say provide DNS hostname, and then select it. Now go ahead and type dns.hardguard.com and then click on save. That's one of the ways you can use to remove hats from your Android phone. And again, go back to the main settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then on the apps page, you want to locate on the apps page, scroll down, locate any application you cannot identify. So if you don't know when you install the application, just go ahead, locate the application, and then once you find the application, click on it. Then click on uninstall, and then click on OK from the pop to uninstall the app on your phone, and then you are good. So that is basically what you need to do to remove ads from Android phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.